Hey my peeps, let's just make some easy candy corn themed cookies with my favorite cookie mold. So I got some candy corn sprinkles here. You can get those from Play Code 3. I have a coupon code for Play Code 3. And basically I just took them and just spread them around into the crevices. And then I got some coordinating candy corn sprinkles. All these sprinkles and all the crumbles and stuff you can find at Play Code 3. So this is just some crumble, and I'm just putting it in, you know, all over the place to fill up the space. And then I got some clay that I kind of mixed a little bit of orange with some brown, and I got like this pumpkin color cookie dough. So I'm gonna roll it out, make sure I get that into all those crevices in the mold, and then I'm just gonna pop that out. And I don't like this cookie cutter because it's kind of the shape of the cookie is weird, so I always get a round cookie cutter and just cut it out, because I like to have my cookies be like round and pretty. So there you go, that's like the easiest cookie you can make. And let's get some more candy corn stuff coming your way soon, so stay tuned. And I hope you like these. These are very easy. You can make a bunch, put them on your tier tray. Hope you make some. Talk to you soon. Bye.